In our daily lives, we all seek peace of mind. Whether it's in ensuring the safety of our food, securing our transactions, or protecting our personal identity. But how do we ensure confidence in every product you offer? At Pura, we don't just meet standards. We go the extra mile to bring you innovative solutions. With endless imagination, we bring ideas to life. Our innovative material takes shape in every layer, shines through design and function, sophistication and performance. Every sheet is ready to make an impact. Our commercial printing quality stands out on every shelf, safeguards the product inside, and fosters consumer confidence in every pack. We don't just meet expectations, we ensure precision in every detail and confidentiality at every step. Expertly designed and meticulously crafted. Our security printing solutions set the standard in safeguarding authenticity. Combining craftsmanship and technology, every security feature crafted one thread at a time. Building a foundation of trust. Our smart technology solutions seamlessly integrated for the highest level of protection. By integrating our engineering solutions, we streamline our processes to ensure efficiency. More than just owning technology and harnessing our own resources, we bring them together, all in one place. More than just elevating your product, we protect your unique innovations with the utmost confidentiality. Pura is born from Indonesian roots, proudly upholding a legacy of trust spanning over 100 years. Quietly bringing peace of mind to both your business and everyday life. At Pura, we place your trust at the heart of our people, in our homegrown technology and deep expertise to create value through innovation.